Okay, so currently it is Tuesday only and I just woke up. It is 1:30 p.m. and I'm feeling hungry, so I think I'm gonna go out to get myself some food, and then probably I'm gonna change my SIM from Vodafone. Port karana hai Vodafone se Airtel, because the service of Vodafone is really up right now. And yeah, I'm going out because I was really bored, and the reason because I'm really bored is because I uninstalled all my सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स. ये क्यों अनइंस्टॉल करा वो मैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग बनाऊंगा या नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बोलूँगा. टिल देन लेट्स गो आउट, हैव सम फूड एंड देन कम बैक. द रीज़न आई एम गोइंग आउट टू हैव फूड इज़ बिकॉज माई मॉम इज़ नॉट एट होम, तो भूख लग रही. जाएंगे बाहर, खा के आएंगे. So I randomly came out to get myself some food, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके I'm getting my seat covered. Original seat थी 2 साल 1.5 साल से. Now I'm getting the seat covered और सामने का एक बैग भी ले ले रहा हूँ, टैंक बैग, which is going to be useful for the navigation. Transparent. So let's see what's the process is going to be. तो सीट कवर की दुकान तो यहाँ पे है, रेडियम की यहाँ पे. सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग कि यहाँ पे कुछ रेडियम वर्क करा लूँ ऑन माई बाइक, विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू यूट्यूब. ऑब्वियसली मेरा चैनल का नाम है, सो दैट व्हेनेवर समवन आस्क्स व्हाट आर यू डूइंग ऑन योर बाइक, आई कुड से दिस, ऐसा बता के. तो है प्लान, लेट्स सी. अभी नहीं तो फिर कभी. Alright, it's Thursday, 4:30 p.m. right now, and I'm in my room, and I just wanted to tell this in front of the camera that I'm going through something right now, and yeah, it's kind of very sad. I was just in my room as usual. Then I was going through a lot of thoughts like vengeance, revenge and all that. Then I thought it would be better if I just take out my camera and tell this in front of the camera and share this with you guys, so that I could feel something better, because right now this is the hardest time I have been going through. क्योंकि अभी तक क्या होता था, I had so many people around me with whom I could share my feelings and all that, then now as I am alienated या फिर अलग हो गया social media से, I don't have anyone to discuss these things with, sharing this with you guys so that we have a good bonding in the future. चलो, going to sleep. So I was just in the room feeling sad. I came out to play cricket with these guys. So गली क्रिकेट खेलने वाले हम लोग, आप लोग भी मजे लो. प्लास्टिक बॉल से by the way. That is my bicycle. If you guys know that I went for 100 kilometers bicycle ride, so that is the bicycle right there. So I'm wondering what to do with that because अंधेरा अंधेरा अंधेरा, लाइट चाहिए हाँ, तो शायद नई बाइसाइकिल लूँगा अभी बिकॉज इसकी हालत बहुत ख़राब है. Alright, so आज के लिए this is Friday shift, तो अपन जा रहे हैं बाइक पे and this is the हुलिया right now. ख़राब लगा क्या? नहीं, अच्छा है. तो चलो चलते हैं. बाइक पे जा रहा हूँ तो I won't be able to take the rose का thing which you guys just saw. So here's Friday shift by the way. See you. Alright, so it is Friday logout time and I'm on my bike. And I wanted to take a running shot of my bike, and when I tried to stop, I almost fell right now. देखो क्या क्या करना पड़ता है ब्लॉग के वास्ते. चलो ये शॉट के लिए. So I reached home safely. Friday है तो I just had my breakfast. नहीं Friday नहीं है, it is Saturday actually. तो I just had my breakfast and सो के उठेंगे थोड़ी देर and then I have so many things to do for the weekend. चलो देखते हैं what all we can accomplish this weekend. पहले तो unboxing है. Alright, so just came back from Shazam. Good movie, entertaining और funny भी है. It's like they are making different movies right now to make a big one like just Marvel did, Infinity War and all that stuff and Avengers के जैसा. तो DC is also on that. And this is Rafan. Please don't step on. Actually इनके खुशी का राज ये है. I just came back from the theater, so I got him this one and he's like very happy right now. नहीं मोटे. चलो, I don't think I can edit. I'm talking now. I don't think I can edit the vlog anymore, so I'm gonna just drop down and sleep. सुबह उठ के अपलोड करता हूँ, ठीक है? ठीक है, ठीक है बोलो, ठीक है,
ठीक है।
Alright, so I'm making this video just to give you guys an update that how frustrating video editing could be sometimes. 3 बजे से लगा पड़ा हूँ, 4:50 हो रहे, वो जो हाफ व्लॉग में करा था वही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्निप इन, मतलब थोड़े बहुत जो क्लिप्स मैं बीच में डालता हूँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द बेस्ट वन, लेकिन वो मिल रहे नहीं. एंड इट इज़ लाइक गेटिंग वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग नाउ. दम हो जा रहा, लेकिन आई हैव टू अपलोड द व्लॉग टुडे बिकॉज एवरी वीक डालना है. एंड या साउंड्स भी नहीं मिल रहे सही से, एक मिला. चलो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई कैन डू. जस्ट एन अपडेट. संडे है तो पूरा वीक का बना रहा था मैं, सो आई थॉट आई शुड टेल दिस टू यू गाइज. सी यू गाइज आफ्टर द व्लॉग. आई एडिट द व्लॉग. दिस इज द सीन आई एम एडिटिंग राइट नाउ. Hello, what's up? Alright, so it's basically Monday now and मेरा Sunday पूरा editing में गया. Most of the Sunday, as you guys know, कि I went for Shazam and then I came back late. And then हुआ ये कि I was tired. So I slept most of the Sunday and then I got up in the evening and edited this vlog, which took me a really long time. I don't know, but मेरा फेवरेट है अब तक का, तो जाइए देखिए. द लिंक विल बी हियर समवेयर, तो क्लिक ऑन इट एंड गो वॉच इट. माई फेवरेट पार्ट, आई शुड नॉट से दिस बिकॉज द होल व्लॉग बहुत मेहनत लगी बनाने में, बट देन माई फेवरेट पार्ट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 14th minute, so you can go check that out as well. Alright, so what do we have here? This is from Flipkart, which is kind of really big. And this is Robustron, which I bought from Amazon like 3 weeks ago. 1 महीना हो गया शायद almost. लेकिन I didn't open this because I wanted to open this in front of the camera. So let's get into it. Alright, so angle change because आवाज़ आ रही ना, फैन ओपन है because मेरे को गर्मी हुई, तो चला लो अभी ये ऑडियो में. एंगल चेंज बिकॉज ग्रीन स्क्रीन बताना था वीडियो में, शो ऑफ. आई एम थिंकिंग इफ आई शुड ओपन दिस वेरी सोबरली या फिर चीर फाड़ करो. तो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. बॉक्स अच्छा है तो विल नॉट डू चीर फाड़ लाइक सलमान खान. विल जस्ट ओपन इट वेरी नाइसली. So this is how it opens, and we have all the accessories here. I'm looking at this for the first time in front of the camera. If you guys can see, I seriously don't know what this is, but I know what this is. This is the floating tube, and then we have this clipper. इसका भी यूज़ बताता हूँ मैं. एंड देन वी हैव अ सेल्फी स्टिक विच इज़ फॉर बेसिकली द एक्शन कैमराज. आई बॉट दिस पैक ऑफ 12-in-1 किट बोल के है. आई विल पुट द डिस्क्रिप्शन इन द लिंक. आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. सेल्फी स्टिक है. कितने हो गए आइटम्स? 1 2 3 4. And then I have this wristband, 5, and then a J hook, 2 J hooks, and then some screws and other mounts. This is for the cards, suction वो है ये, तो अपन glasses को लगा के we can use this. ये अपन use करेंगे this week के vlog में. And then what do we have here? Okay, so the main important thing which I bought this for is एक head mount है which comes like this, and एक chest mount है. This is the chest mount, I believe. तो these are the things. Oh, my favorite one. ये मेरा favorite है, I don't know why, but इससे जो clips आते ना are the best. You put this on the handle of your bike or bicycle and then just go like I did in the 100-kilometer bicycle ride. So this was done. मतलब हो गया ये. और एक क्या है इसमें? There is a bag to keep all the mounts. I actually had so many things to unbox in front of the camera, लेकिन हुआ नहीं वो. But I will do a detail comparison between Eken H9R, ये जो मैं शुरू लिया था, and then I have another action camera which is from a Plain Noise which I bought for like 6,000 or 7,000. तो वो दोनों का comparison करके बताता हूँ, which is for the next week. And I showed you guys a box, ये वाला, तो ये भी अपन next week unbox करेंगे. So this was the unboxing of Robustron which was due from I don't know what 3-4 हफ्ते 1 महीने से. Now it is done and basically अभी Monday है, it's noon time, so I'm just gonna get fresh and start with the week again. Thank you for watching and subscribe करो. 70 subscribers हो गए. Last vlog is my favorite, so go watch it again. I'm telling this, plug करते रहो, just as Logan Paul said. Logan Paul से याद आया, Kong the Savage is no more, so rest in peace dude. And yeah, till then I'll see you guys next week because I'm really trying to be consistent on YouTube this time. So till then, keep smiling, smile because it suits you. Alright, so this is just off the record, after credit scene. I thought unboxing this would be a very big thing for me, like in the clip which you just saw, एक shot में लिए सो है. तो I'm like proud of myself. I'm getting better in front of the camera. I hope I'll learn more tricks and tips and in editing also. तो चलो देखते हैं. बस इतना ही कहना था. ख़त्म हो गया वीडियो. If you're still watching, please leave a like. शेयर कीजिए. So this is how the chest mount works. And let me check for the head mount. So, angle change हो गया. Sorry. The reason I'm looking so stressed right now is because मेरा जो play vlog का जो कैमरा था, action camera, I'm not finding it right now. I just wanted to show you guys how to mount this. Let me just get back. So this is chest mount. This is J hook. That's how you fit this camera. And then here you go. So ये यहाँ पे आ गया. This is for the first view. If you guys know what first view is. Otherwise next week आइए. You will see a clip of first view in my vlog. And let me just try this one. Yay! So this is the head mount.